In front of me is Redmi 13 and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling down to access Google section here. Then tap on All Services, Autofill, Autofill with Google and Google Password Manager. Finally, to add any password, just click on Add Password and input all of those informations. At the top you can select any website or click on Select App and tap on the chosen one. Then enter your username, email or phone number, password, and even take some helpful notes. When you finish, hit Save at the top right corner. As you can see, after that my password was successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!